When it's good and I can breathe a little, and my path is winding in your light, I hear your sweet voice say,
Hi sweet friends, and welcome to my spring home tour for 2023. I hope that you enjoy this video and it brings you all the wonderful feels of the spring season. And don't forget to come back and check me out, because I will be venturing outdoors to update and refresh my outdoor spaces, including the landscaping. So until the next video, happy decorating. Happy spring, everyone.
Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody.
For my coffee table, I decided to keep it simple by adding a 4-wick candle, and my vignette here is composed of this arrangement of cosmos, the cherubim with the book, and I created the base for this cloche. And I really enjoyed these robin blue eggs, and to create the base for this cloche, I just simply used a outdoor planter that I purchased from Walmart. So let's take a look at this side of my living room. Now, we did not decorate this space together, so to create this look on my sofa, I just added some neutral pillows with white embellishments. I also popped in that little bunny pillow that I made myself, added a simple white throw, and I added in this large floral arrangement in the back that consists of dogwoods and some hydrangeas. Now for the entertainment section of my living room, which includes a huge sideboard and a large television, and I kept it simple by adding 2 greenery bunnies, one on each side, and that completes that look.
when it's good and I can breathe a little, and my path is winding in your light, I hear your sweet voice say to me, you're my child and I've set you free. I remember all you've brought me through, 'cause you're so good, you're so good. You were
On this side of my kitchen, above my window, I just added these blue trim salad plates for a touch of spring.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out.